Estate Essentials: 10 Steps to Planning for Your Legacy. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Estate planning is a crucial aspect of financial management that often gets overlooked or delayed. Planning for your legacy involves more than just distributing assets. It's about ensuring your wishes are met, minimizing tax implications, and providing for your loved ones. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the essential steps to help you navigate the intricate process of estate planning and secure your legacy for future generations. Define your objectives. Before diving into the technicalities of estate planning, take a step back and consider your objectives. What do you want to achieve with your estate plan? Whether it's providing financial security for your family, supporting charitable causes, or minimizing tax liabilities, clearly outlining your goals will guide the entire planning process. Create or update your will. A will is the cornerstone of any estate plan. It's a legal document that outlines how your assets will be distributed after your death. If you don't have a will, now is the time to create one. If you already have a will, review and update it regularly to reflect any changes in your financial situation, family structure, or wishes regarding your estate. Establish a trust. Trusts offer more flexibility and control over the distribution of assets than a will alone. They can also help minimize probate, reduce estate taxes, and provide for specific needs of your beneficiaries. Depending on your situation, you might consider revocable, irrevocable, or special needs trusts. Consulting with a legal professional is crucial to determine which type of trust aligns with your objectives. Choose an executor and a trustee. Selecting the right executor for your will and trustee for your trust is a critical decision. These individuals will be responsible for carrying out your wishes and managing the distribution of your assets. Make sure to choose someone you trust, who is organized, and has the ability to handle financial matters responsibly. Designate beneficiaries. Clearly identify the beneficiaries for your various assets, such as life insurance policies, retirement accounts, and investment accounts. Keep these designations up to date, especially after major life events like marriage, divorce, or the birth of children. Designating beneficiaries helps ensure that your assets go directly to the intended recipients without passing through probate. Plan for incapacity. Estate planning is not just about what happens after your death. It should also address potential incapacity during your lifetime. Establishing a durable power of attorney and a healthcare proxy allows you to designate someone to make financial and medical decisions on your behalf if you become unable to do so. Consider tax implications. Understanding the tax implications of your estate is crucial for efficient planning. Work with a tax professional to explore strategies to minimize estate taxes such as gifting, charitable giving, or establishing trusts. Tax laws can change, so staying informed and adjusting your plan accordingly is essential. A comprehensive understanding of the current tax code and potential future changes will allow you to make informed decisions that optimize the financial outcomes for your beneficiaries. Utilizing tax-efficient vehicles, like qualified personal residence trusts, QPRTs, or family limited partnerships, FLPs, can further enhance your estate plan. Regularly reviewing your plan with a tax professional ensures that you are taking advantage of any available tax deductions and credits, maximizing the value of your estate for your heirs. Remember that taxes are a dynamic component of estate planning, and a proactive approach will help you adapt your strategy to align with both your financial goals and the ever-evolving tax landscape. Review and update regularly. Life is dynamic, and so should be your estate plan. Regularly review and update your plan to reflect changes in your financial situation, family structure, and goals. A plan that was effective a few years ago may no longer align with your current circumstances. Communicate your plan. While discussing your estate plan may be a sensitive topic, Open communication is essential to avoid misunderstandings and family disputes in the future. Clearly communicate your wishes to your loved ones, and if necessary, seek professional guidance to facilitate these conversations. Addressing potential concerns or questions your family may have can prevent confusion and discord down the line. It's advisable to hold family meetings to discuss the key aspects of your estate plan, ensuring that everyone involved understands your intentions and the rationale behind your decisions. Encourage an open dialogue where family members can express their thoughts and concerns, fostering a sense of transparency and trust. Providing your loved ones with a clear roadmap for the future can alleviate anxiety and promote unity, assuring them that their financial well-being has been carefully considered in your estate planning decisions. Remember, communication is a powerful tool in avoiding potential conflicts and preserving familial relationships during the execution of your estate plan. Consult with professionals. Estate planning involves legal, financial, and sometimes tax-related complexities. Consulting with professionals such as estate planning attorneys, financial advisors, and tax experts can provide invaluable insights and ensure that your plan is comprehensive and tailored to your specific needs. These professionals bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, helping you navigate intricate legal requirements and identify potential pitfalls. Estate planning attorneys can ensure that your documents comply with current laws, preventing legal challenges in the future. Financial advisors can assist in optimizing your investment strategies to fund your legacy goals effectively. Tax experts can provide guidance on minimizing tax liabilities, taking advantage of available deductions, and staying compliant with tax regulations. By assembling a team of experts, you benefit from a collaborative approach that addresses all aspects of your estate, giving you confidence that your plan is well-informed, legally sound, and aligned with your overarching financial objectives. Planning for your legacy is a thoughtful and multifaceted process that requires careful consideration of your goals, assets, and the needs of your loved ones. By taking these 10 essential steps, you can navigate the complexities of estate planning with confidence, ensuring that your legacy reflects your values and provides for the well-being of future generations. But remember, the key to a successful estate plan is to start early, stay informed, and adapt your plan as your life evolves. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.